আমি সুজয়। আইকন পরিবারে সকলকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে আজকের ক্লাস শুরু করছি।
এগুলো হলো আমার ইয়ার ওয়াইজ অ্যাচিভমেন্টস। আজ আমরা 1 থেকে 7 ডিসেম্বর পর্যন্ত যত ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স আছে সেগুলি ওয়ান লাইনার আকারে পড়ব। তোমরা যদি এই উইকলি কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সের পিডিএফ পেতে চাও তাহলে আমাদের টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেলে জয়েন করতে পারো, লিংক ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে দেওয়া আছে। তাহলে চলো আজকের প্রথম প্রশ্নটি আমরা দেখে নিই। Which intergovernmental financial institution has released a new book titled Future of Regional Cooperation in Asia and the Pacific, Asian Development Bank? To strengthen the power distribution sector, in which state the Government of India recently signed $133 million loan agreement with the Asian Development Bank, Meghalaya? Which bank, in association with Japan's JCB International Co. Limited, has launched a debit card on National Payments Corporation of India's RuPay network, State Bank of India? According to data of the Commerce and Industry Ministry, which country is the second largest source of foreign direct investment in India? USA. With which bank the Government of India has inked loan pact of $50 million to boost digital platforms for public finance reforms in West Bengal? Asian Development Bank. To which bank the Reserve Bank of India has issued order to temporarily halt all launches of the digital business generating activities planned under its program Digital 2.0? HDFC Bank. To improve the quality and reliability of electricity supply, in which state of India the Asian Development Bank has approved a $430 million multi-tranche financing facility? Uttar Pradesh. Which bank has launched a tech-based loan management solution called Lens the Lending Solution to speed up and maintain accuracy in online loan processing and sanctioning of credit proposals? Punjab National Bank. Which bank has unveiled a premium banking program that offers personalized solution focused on the particular needs of key consumer segments, from small business owners to salaried professionals and senior citizens? Yes Bank. Which bank has entered into an agreement with Small Industries Development Bank of India to use its asset restructuring module for MSME borrowers? Indian Bank. Which bank has launched RuPay Business Credit Card for MSMEs in partnership with RuPay and Visa? Axis Bank. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India has decided to extend liquidity adjustment facility to which banks to make liquidity management more efficient? Regional rural banks. The Reserve Bank of India has proposed to increase the limit for contactless card transaction to what amount from 2000 per transaction from January 1, 2021? Rupees 5000. Paytm has partnered with which small finance bank to empower MSMEs with instant digital loans? Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. The Karnataka Regional Office of NABARD signed MoU with which bank to extend concessional refiance facility to the beneficiaries of watershed development and tribal development projects? State Bank of India. Financial solutions provider Razorpay partnered with which global digital payments platform to facilitate international payments for small business and freelancers? PayPal. Fintech company Finin has launched itself as a neobank in partnership with which bank? SBM Bank. Which life insurance company in association with Ketto India has initiated Promise Wala Dabba, a nationwide crowdfunding campaign? HDFC Life. In partnership with which bank and NPCI, the Pay Nearby announced to launch Pay Nearby shopping card, enabling its retail partners to derive maximum benefits of digital commerce in the mass market category? Yes Bank. Which regional rural bank has launched Krishi OD scheme designed for farmers? Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. The Asian Development Bank has approved a $190 million loan for modernization and upgradation of power distribution system in which city? Bengaluru. Renowned personality S. Ramakrishnan passed away recently. He was former director of which institution? Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Renowned personality Mir Zafarullah Khan Jamali passed away recently. He was former Prime Minister of which country? Pakistan. Renowned personality Manu Mukherjee passed away recently. He was a veteran actor. Former Chief of Intelligence Bureau Chief Dineshwar Sharma passed away recently. He was administrator of which union territories? Lakshadweep. Renowned personality Valéry Giscard d'Estaing passed away recently. He was former president of which country? France. Renowned personality Dharmapal Gulati passed away recently. He was owner of which company? MDH. Legendary footballer Papa Bouba Diop passed away recently. For which country did he played? Senegal. What is the theme of the World AIDS Day 2020? Global Solidarity and Shared Responsibility. The World Computer Literacy Day is observed every year on which date? 2nd December. The National Pollution Control Day is observed every year on which date? 2nd December. International Day for the Abolition of Slavery is observed annually on 2nd December. What is the theme of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities for the year 2020? Not all disabilities are feasible. World Fisheries Day is celebrated every year on November 21. What is the theme of the Indian Navy Day 2020 celebrated every year on December 4? Indian Navy Combat Ready, Credible and Cohesive. International Volunteer Day is observed every year on 5th December. The International Civil Aviation Day is celebrated every year on which date? 7th December. In India, the Armed Forces Flag Day is observed annually on 7th December. Who becomes the first woman Vice Chancellor of Allahabad University? Professor Sangeeta Srivastav. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of the Lok Sabha and Lok Sabha Secretariat? Utpal Kumar Singh. Who has been appointed as the Chairperson of National Dairy Development Board? Varsha Joshi. Who has been named as the Treasury Secretary by the US President-elect Joe Biden? Kumud Srinivasan. Who has been appointed as the Ambassador for the British Academy of Film and Television Arts Breakthrough Initiative? A.R. Rahman. Who has been appointed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Fit India Ambassador? Kuldeep Handu. Who has been named as the President-elect of Industry Chamber FICCI for 2020-21? Uday Shankar. Who has been appointed as the first Vice President of the World LPG Association? S.M. Vaidya. Who chaired the 19th meeting of the SCO Council of Heads of Governments held recently? M. Venkaiah Naidu. What is India's rank in the Global Terrorism Index 2020? 8th. Who will chair the high-level Inter-Ministerial Apex Committee for implementation of Paris Agreement constituted by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change? Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. According to the International Farm Comparison Network Dairy Processor Report 2020, what is the position of Amul as the milk processor globally? 8th. Which Indian firm has topped the Fortune 500 list of Indian companies list of 2020? Reliance Industries Limited. 7th edition of Water, Sanitation and Hygiene Conclave 2020 was held in which city of India? Hyderabad. India's first indigenously developed 100-octane premium petrol developed by which petroleum company? Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu virtually released a commemorative postage stamp in honor of late Prime Minister I.K. Gujral. Who will be the chief guest for the Republic Day celebration in January 2021? Boris Johnson, যিনি UK Prime Minister. Arjun Munda e-launches virtual Adi Mahotsav in Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has started Duare Sarkar Government at Doorsteps program to speed up and take the delivery of public services to the doorstep of the people? West Bengal. Which state government has signed Memorandum of Understanding with International Digital Health and Artificial Intelligence Research Collaborative to develop and deploy digital technologies in the health sector? Punjab. The Suryadhar Lake has been inaugurated in which state? Uttarakhand. The cyclone Burevi hits which state of India recently? Tamil Nadu. Country's first memorial for organ donors has been inaugurated in which state of India? Rajasthan. In which state the Raimona National Park is proposed to become 6th national park in the state? Assam. Shastho Sathi scheme is a health insurance scheme of which state that has now been expanded to cover the state's entire population? West Bengal. Nongpok Sekmai police station of which state was ranked as the best performing police station in the country in the recently released the annual ranking of police stations in India, Manipur? Which state government has organized the 9th edition of International Sand Art Festival, Odisha? Which state is planning its first ever migratory bird festival this year, Bihar? Biggest ever direct benefit transfer scheme Orunodoy has been launched in which state, Assam? Which state aim to completely eliminate AIDS by 2030, Madhya Pradesh? Which country will chair the incoming 20th meeting of the SCO Council of Heads of Government in 2021, Kazakhstan? According to air pollution data released by the US Air Quality Index 2020, which city has topped the list of world's most polluted cities, Lahore? Which organization has published a flagship report titled The State of Food and Agriculture 2020, Overcoming Water Challenges in Agriculture, Food and Agriculture Organization? According to the World Malaria Report 2020, prepared by the World Health Organization, largest contributor of malaria cases in the Southeast Asia region, India. Which becomes the first country to allow the sale of cultured meat, Singapore? Bangladesh has signed its first preferential trade agreement with which country, Bhutan? Who has been won the Global Teacher Prize 2020 in recognition of his effort to promote girls' education, Ranjit Singh Disale? Who has been named by Time magazine as the first ever Kid of the Year 2020 for her works using technology to tackle issues ranging from contaminated drinking water to opioid addiction and cyberbullying, Gitanjali Rao? Who has won the Bahrain Formula 1 Grand Prix 2020, Lewis Hamilton? Who became the fastest batsman to reach 22,000 international runs, Virat Kohli? Who won the Formula 1 Sakir Grand Prix in Bahrain, Sergio Perez? Who released the book titled Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government's special relationship with Sikhs on the occasion of 550th Guru Purab, Hardeep Singh Puri? Who has authored the book titled Indian Icon, a Cult Called Royal Enfield, Amrit Raj? Who has authored the book titled 40 Years with Abdul Kalam Untold Stories, a book on the life of the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, A. Shivatanu Pillai? The Indian Navy test-fired the anti-ship version of which missile in the Andaman and Nicobar Island territory, BrahMos? On Indian Navy Day, with which country India held a 2-day passage exercise in the Eastern Indian Ocean, Russia? এটাই ছিল আজকের শেষ কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স। সামনে যাদের রেলের এনটিপিসি পরীক্ষা রয়েছে তারা চাইলে আমাদের কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সগুলি ফলো করতে পারো, আর উইকলি পিডিএফের জন্য আমাদের টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেল জয়েন করতে পারো। তাহলে আজকের ভিডিওটি এখানেই শেষ করছি, আবার দেখা হবে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফর ওয়াচিং মাই ভিডিও। বাই।